And you know what's a real thing that saved my life? I started building prompting libraries on my
Yes.
own SharePoint folder. I know if I want to do this kind of thing, these 2 pages of prompts have helped in the past. I might have to tweak it a little bit rather than refiguring out. So just to give you an example, and I don't want to go on too long. So when writing articles or white papers or the like, it needs to be in British English. I don't want bullet points. I want section headings. Each paragraph must be at least 200 words long. I need you to cite references in Harvard style at the in text and at the end, etc., etc. Now, it doesn't help I use AI and I need to refigure every time what did I prompt. So practice prompting, but use the prompts as a team that works. And that's what I also did yesterday is the team is now discovering the client what prompts are working for them, but they're not sharing it with each other. So I said, combine those prompts in a prompting library, change it every week if you need to, because it saves you time. You don't want to automate stuff and then spend 5 hours figuring out the prompt. And this is
Yeah.
back to the data culture and the AI literacy, I think.